Hey there, as we learned what are robots and what are sensors in the last few videos. So today we will know how to code that and we will learn something about blocks. So for that we need to log into our page and we will be seeing some screen like this, and we will click on new project and then we will enter our project name. Let's say our project name will be robot. After entering the name, we will save. So now we can see the main screen in which we have a robot on the right hand side waiting for our command, and we have some controls here like saving the project and exporting it. Exporting is nothing but downloading it. Then simulator, which is in now VR. Then we have code section, and for that, after dragging the blocks from here, then we will be able to see some code. And we have a joystick here by which we can control the robot, like moving forward, turning left or turning right, or moving backward. So if we click on reset here, it will be coming back to its original place. So let's see the code section. Like we have many codes here, like the every block with every different color is a different command, like controls, motions, sensors, and logics, math, loop, variable, and functions, etc. And we can see our robot named file which we have saved in the starting. And if we want to create a new project, then we will click on new project. Again we will type a name robot1. After entering the name, we will again save. So now if we come on robot1, then we can see what are the things we have done in the robot1. If we go to robot, then we can see what are things we have done in that. Then we have some templates here just for you to understand how things work. And here my project. So that's it for now. So in the next video we'll be learning how to use these blocks and how to command the robot, and how this robot will be working when we will implement that code into this. So thank you. See you in the next video, future robot builders.